Section 7 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 5, November 1897. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. Birds of Passage. Black shadows fall from the lindens tall, that lift aloft their massive wall against the southern sky. And from the realms of the shadowy elms a tide-like darkness overwhelms the fields that round us lie. But the night is fair, and everywhere a warm soft vapour fills the air, and distant sounds seem near. And above in the light of the starlit night swift birds of passage wing their flight through the dewy atmosphere. I hear the beat of their pinions fleet, as from the land of snow and sleet they seek a southern lee. I hear the cry of their voices high, falling dreamily through the sky, but their forms I cannot see. Longfellow. End of section 7. This recording is in the public domain.